In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export QuickBooks data to Excel. If you need to work with your QuickBooks information outside the platform, exporting to Excel is a simple and useful option. This can help you review data more easily, organize it in a spreadsheet, share it with a team member, or do additional analysis. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, log into QuickBooks Online. Make sure you're signed into the correct company file before you begin, especially if you manage more than one account. Once you're inside QuickBooks, take a moment to confirm that everything is fully loaded so the menus and report options are available. Next, open the report or list you want to export. This could be a financial report, a customer list, a vendor list, or another type of data available in your account. The key here is to open exactly the page you want to download because QuickBooks will export the information currently displayed on that screen. If needed, you can also review the visible data before exporting to make sure you're working with the right report. Once the report or list is open, go to the top of the page and click the export icon. This is the option that allows you to take the information out of QuickBooks and save it in another format. If you don't see it right away, look carefully along the upper area of the report window, since its position can vary slightly depending on what you're viewing. After clicking the export icon, select Export to Excel. This tells QuickBooks that you want the data in a spreadsheet format that can be opened and edited in Microsoft Excel or similar spreadsheet software. Be careful to choose the Excel option specifically, especially if other export choices appear. Then, wait for QuickBooks to generate the Excel file. Depending on the size of the report and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. It's best not to close the browser or navigate away while the file is being prepared. Finally, open or save the Excel file to your computer. If your browser downloads it automatically, you may be able to click the file right away to open it. Otherwise, choose where you want to save it so you can access it later. Once opened, you can review, edit, or organize the data as needed. Thanks for watching.